Okay, paano naman sa percent by mass per volume? Okay, here the example is, what is the concentration of, or rather by, percent by mass per volume if you have 67 grams of table sugar dissolved in 1.5 liters of solution. Okay, so you have here 67 grams and then you have 1.2 liters of water. So sa percent by mass per volume, laging tatandaan, the mass should be in grams and the volume should be in milliliters. So we have to convert that 1.2 liters into ml, so that is equivalent to 1,200 ml of water. This is so kasi the mass and the volume will not cancel, no? So it should always be in grams per ml, so that to denote that it is percent by mass per volume. So though the units will not cancel in your final answer, hindi na magre-reflect na grams per ml. Rather, i-indicate mo lang yung type ng percentage. Kaya dito ni-specify talaga siya na percent by mass per volume. Okay? So, plinat lang natin, direct substitution. We have our solute to be 67 grams and our solvent to be 1,200 ml. Again, the grams will not be cancelled, but it will not be reflected in our final answer. Rather, we are required to put percent by mass per volume to denote that that had been prepared having grams and ml. Okay, so the answer is 5.58% by mass, percent by mass per volume.